Hello, 8th grade. We are starting a structured academic controversy about Abraham Lincoln, and we've done one of these before, but I'll go over the steps for this to review. So, starting from the top, it says, Abraham Lincoln signed the Emancipation Proclamation in 1863, making abolition a Union goal of the Civil War. Your job is to determine whether you think he was racist. During today's class, you will work in teams to discuss arguments convicting and defending Abraham Lincoln. Your goals for today should include looking at all the issues, seeing both sides, and finding common ground. So our SAC question for today was Abraham Lincoln racist? If you are assigned to Team A, you will argue that yes, he was. If you are assigned to Team B, you will argue that no, he was not. So here's how our class period will go today. The first about 20 to 30 minutes will be spent with your teammate. You're going to read the documents in the Lincoln document set. Find 4 pieces of evidence that support your side. I'm going to show you really quickly where those documents are found. You have a packet that has documents A through D. Okay? Documents A through D. So you're going to read through those, answer the guiding questions, and then you'll be prepared to find 4 pieces of evidence that support your side. Okay, so both Team A and both Team B do that. Okay, the next 10 minutes is when you get together into a group of 4. So the 2 partners from Team A pair up with 2 partners, or the partners of Team B. For about 10 minutes, Team A will present. Both partners must present. And as they present, Team B writes down Team A's arguments and then repeats them back to Team A to clarify any points. And then the opposite. So Team B presents. Both partners must present. Team A writes down arguments and then repeats them back to Team B. At the end of class, everyone can abandon their positions. And with that, the groups of 4 will attempt to develop a consensus. So just to show you the other pages of your packet here, if you are assigned to Team A, you will be filling out this part. If you are part of Team B, you will fill out the bottom part below that. So Team A, in your first 30 minutes, you're reading through the documents and then completing this. And then you will present that information to Team B. Now Team B, as you listen to this information from Team A, you will also copy down their information onto this. So at the end of all of the presentations, this whole sheet of organizing the evidence should be filled out for all 4 group members. Okay, finally, this is the last page, coming to a consensus. Use the space below to outline your group's agreement. Your agreement should address evidence and arguments from both sides. And yes, everyone in your group does have to complete this section. Okay, guys, that's it. Your first 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, is this, okay? Follow instructions, read the documents, ask questions, and have fun. See you later.